everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinbase Pro. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Individual traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts can use Coinbase Pro as a trading platform. It provides a safe and simple way to buy, sell, and trade digital assets over the internet in a variety of trading pairs. Simply click open a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in pro.coinbase.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Coinbase Pro, which looks like this. Go and click on the sign in button in the upper right hand corner from the main home page in order to end up in the login area. To log into your account, you'll need to enter your Coinbase account's credentials. Simply go ahead and type in your email address that is associated with your Coinbase account. Head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct, and finally click on the sign in button. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After you are done clicking on the sign in button, you'll be logged in right away to your Coinbase Pro account, quick and easy. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.